Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. In the third video today, guys, let's take a look at the Bitcoin as usual. So in general, overall situation stands the same as we have talked about it recently. On the daily chart, we're mostly watching for some upward directional patterns because we have the nice thrust down here, and either double repo buy could be formed if market intends to show deeper retracement, or it could be the double repo sell. But to be honest, guys, for a double repo, for a brand bottom sell, it's a bit difficult for now to be formed, because if you will put here the 3x3 moving average, you will see that the first close was here, second here, and third one will come today. And to generate the brand bottom sell, market should hit this resistance area around 48 even, because that will be 30% resistance, major resistance of the thrust action. And market, to create the brand bottom, it needs to hit major fib level. And currently, in the current moment, it seems that this will not happen. That's why, with the background of this price action, it seems that maybe double repo will be formed. For that purpose, market needs to drop lower, close below the 3x3. Usually, the double repo bottom stands approximately equal to each other. And in general, since we have the very strong bearish momentum in the background, that really could happen. At least that two patterns that we'll be watching for on a daily chart. Currently, it's difficult to find some patterns, some reason for taking any position currently, because market just has hit important target, stands minor retracement. For taking the long position in the overall background that we have on the Bitcoin right now, it's not very comfortable. Besides, we do not have clear bullish patterns. We do not see any signs of the reversal. The price action that we see on intraday charts absolutely doesn't look like the reversal yet. It's if you have the bullish view on the Bitcoin, it would be better to see and to get some real confirmation from the market on the bullish ambitions. At least some thrusting action, some clear signs of the rising interest of the buyers again to the cryptocurrency. These moments we did not see it yet on the market. So for bearish traders, it's a bit more simple situation. As for daily traders, as for those who trade on intraday charts, because take a look what we said yesterday. This weekly chart on the 4-hour time frame chart. We said that market hits the important resistance there, it's confidence resistance, and we said probably you could try and take the short position here. And you can see market still calling around it. So as soon as the Gartley steeple to sell has been formed, no deeper retracement has happened yet, the market still stands around the major resistance. So it's possible to protect your position with the break-even right now, probably break-even stop. And if you're careful, we'll take a look at this price action that we see here. You could recognize, guys, here the hand and shoulders pattern is forming on the hourly chart. As a result, on the hand and shoulders, we have two possible targets. First target is the AB equals CD. It should be approximately 39.50. Ultimate target of the hand shoulders coincides with the 38 fib support. It's major 618 support of the whole projection. It's 1618 extension of the ABCD pattern, and also classical target. So distance between the neckline to the head counted in the point of the breakout to the downside is equals approximately 618 support. So that in the pattern that could stands in progress on the Bitcoin within the few hours, and that we'll be watching for. And this pattern mostly stands in favor of the probable double repo buy pattern on the daily. We will see. For the brand bottom, we need to upward continuation, the failure of this pattern, and fast upward continuation right to the fib resistance. So if you trade on intraday charts, you're a scalp trader, you have taken the short position in the resistance area that we have specified. Well, keep watching on these hand shoulders. As soon as market will start to move lower, move stops to the break-even, and watch what will happen. So for the bull traders, as I said, it's better to get some real bullish patterns on the back. maybe the double repo buyout will be formed and will be confirmed by the market. Well, this will be at least something that we could use. But currently, would not see good background for taking the long position yet here.